Hello people of the YouTube land. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video just to show you a little frugal tip I am doing on my cell phone, so the audio and the visual might not be as great as the camera and things and stuff and so on. So first of all, I got myself here a little expanding bolt, as this one is being tightened. This expands and pushes out. It's actually meant for a brick wall, and that way it actually gets stuck in a wall and tight and everything. Call these roll bolts, RAWL for some reason. And yeah, I'm using one of these, and I cut one of the bolts ends off so that I can fit this to my drill. Now, what I'm cleaning today is copper tubing. This has been painted, and to sand this down by hand takes a good minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shove this down the copper tubing, and it's going to take a little bit of convincing. There we go. So now that's in there. I'm going to tighten this down so that it expands into the size of the tubing without increasing the size of the tubing. That's important. Then grabbing my drill and getting stuck in the wires. Now I've got a very long spinny drill thing. Alright, so now I'm going to take some 60 grain sanding paper, hold on to it and let it rip. One thing I must add is, if you have soft hands, you wear gloves, because this gets hot really quickly. So there we go, nice and clean, but now it shows all the markings. That's why you grab 100 grain or more, just pop that on there. And there you have a nice little polished copper tube. I've been doing that for a while now, and it's going great. So just a short video, just to pop in and show you what I do in my workshop when I'm not busy making food or being silly or planting things or so on. So yeah, you keep safe and go well, and we'll see you later with the little Melkos video. So look forward to that. Cheers.